I know it's been a very long time since I've made a video and uploaded it to this channel. I have done other videos on my gaming channel, but today I decided to do my top 5 reasons why I love Google Chrome. So, at number 5, it's the layout, the tabs, the windows, and just the themes and how you can customize Chrome. The default theme itself I rather like, but if you don't like the default theme, you can always change it to a number of other themes, and there's a huge Chrome store for all the other themes out there. And I just like the way it's designed. It's very intuitive. I know where settings are. Firefox, I don't really like the settings on that. I'm not really having a dig at Firefox, but just comparing them, I find Chrome to be the most intuitive browser. I haven't tried out IE 10 for Windows 8 because I don't use Windows 8, but Chrome is the best browser in terms of usability for me. And number 4 is that just the way it links with Google services, other Google services like YouTube, and on the iPad is a great example. So if I go on YouTube and I click a link on the YouTube app, it will actually send me to Chrome, but in Chrome, instead of having a back button, it will have a YouTube button. So it kind of just works with that. And on an Android phone, it gets even better because obviously Google make Android. It's just so integrated, and I really like how, YouTube, Google Drive, all these Google services all come together in Google Chrome. And number 3 is the fact that it's all multi-platform. So as you can see, I've got Chrome on all of these devices here: Windows, iOS, Android. It's literally on all the major platforms, excluding Windows Phone. But yeah, I don't use Windows Phone. But compared to the other browsers, it's probably the most multi-platform browser. I can be on my Android phone, on my iPad, on Windows, and the thing with Chrome is that it will run on nearly any device you have. And that's really all I can say about multi-platform. It's just something people kind of take it for granted, but if there's an app that you love and then you use it or you're on another operating system that doesn't have it, you really notice how useful it is having an app on different platforms. And if you are the type of person that's only on one platform, let's say you go out or something and you go to work and they're using completely different operating system. Let's say you use Windows at home, your work uses Mac, you know that Chrome will work on it. So I just love that, and it really, if Chrome was only on Google products or just on Windows, it wouldn't be as great. But the fact that it's on a Mac as well, on an iPad, it's just really awesome. Number 2 is the fact that Google Chrome is just so fast. Now you're probably like, why isn't that number 1? Well, the real reason is because there's not a huge leap over other browsers. It definitely is the fastest browser. I haven't actually done benchmarks, but I can tell you that other people on YouTube and just in general on websites, they've done tests and it's proven that Google Chrome is faster, definitely on the desktop. So yeah, speed is a really key factor of browsers, and Google Chrome is the fastest, and that's a really awesome thing because if I'm loading up websites and stuff, it definitely is the fastest browser. However, when it comes to uploading, downloading stuff, usually the web browser doesn't have a huge impact on this. It's just your internet speed. So don't expect Google Chrome to make your 1 kilobit internet go super duper fast. This is not how it works. But Google Chrome is definitely the fastest browser. Number 1 is my favorite thing about Google Chrome. All you need to do is sign in to your Google Chrome account. So I'm just going to quickly show. So I've got this web page open here, bbc.co.uk. On my iPad, all I've got to do is hit new tab, let's go to other devices, and it shows that's my Android phone and that's my laptop, and it even has other devices that I've signed into before. So there's it, so hit there, and it's just so useful. I mean, no longer do you need to, copy URLs. I don't have to, and especially if it's a long video URL, I don't have to copy it, write it down, put it to this. All I need to do is, as long as they're all signed in to the same account, it's really easy. And talking about signing into accounts, it also means that if I use Gmail, YouTube, I don't have to sign into every single one. Seeing as I've signed into Chrome already, all I need to do is hit sign in, and it'll sign me in because it knows I'm in that. Another great thing about multiple accounts is that you can change your account. So I don't know if this is on the Mac, maybe it's Windows only. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I can have multiple accounts. So let's say, because I have multiple YouTube channels, I have one for this channel, Dominic London, then I have one for Pronim Skills. So instead of having to sign out, sign in when I upload videos and stuff, I just have different accounts. They all have different bookmarks and everything, and I don't even have to install different programs. It's in the same Google Chrome. It's just signed in to another account and saves your preferences. Anyway guys, that wraps up my 5 reasons for loving Google Chrome. Tell me below, what is your favorite browser? Do you agree that Google Chrome is the best? Do you think it's the worst? Tell me down below. As always, commenting really does help. And obviously there's that big like button down there, which is really plain and dull if you haven't clicked it yet. So click it, it'll turn nice, bright and green. Bye. Remember to subscribe for more videos.